Welcome back, Eloc Nation. If this is your first time here, welcome to my home, garden, and lifestyle channel. If you like what you see, hit that like button. Check out the annuals. Oh, these are pretty. 1998. These are excellent for containers. Outstanding color. Primrose, purple and a pink, yellow and gold. A little purple in there. Pansies, I've already got some of these in my garden, but not in this color. Oh, this deep purple is so pretty. Look at that. With a little something extra sprinkled in. $24.98 for the purple lovers. So these are the annuals. You plant them each year for seasonal color. Perennials, plant once and they come back every year. This is a money saver here. That's gorgeous. Creeping phlox requires full sun. It's a perennial, $8.98, hardy down to a negative 40 degrees Fahrenheit. These are nice creeping phlox. There's more creeping phlox here in all different shades and colors. This is candytuft. I love that white, it's pretty. It's gorgeous. Some creeping myrtle here. That's pretty. Creeping Jenny. Very pretty. This is what you call your spiller. Spills over your containers. This is another excellent spiller here. These are pretty. Let's check out this one. That's nice. Rockfoil. Blooms early to late spring. Really pretty. A hellebore. That's gorgeous. And this is also a perennial. $17.98. So it's an investment. Invest in your landscape. Oh, this color is gorgeous. Oh, look at these. Oh, that's so pretty. I am in my lane. Okay, bulk price savings, 10% off. Arborvitaes. My height friend. Not hard to do when you're 5'1". Now these are heucheras. This is the black pearl. Primo black pearl. Perennial, very pretty. And this mahogany monster, $12.98. Requires sunshade. There's another one back here, nice and bright. Dolce apple twist, it's pretty. $12.98. If you're gonna spend money in your landscaping, I definitely recommend these. Money well spent. Paint the town red, $12.98. Full sun, dianthus. Spring bling, okay, spring bling. Pink sparkles, beautiful pink sparkles. Full sun. So for plant success, you want to make sure you use the right soil, whether you're container gardening, in-ground planting, or raised bed planting. Make sure you use the right soil. That's important. I love lilies. Another great perennial choice. Ready to open up. Gorgeous. So it looks like a mix there. Oh, this is interesting. I love the variation and texture on this. And these are ferns, $9.98. I want them all. Got some smaller ones here. See, I'm taller than these. Emerald green arborvitaes. And I actually need to replace some of my arborvitaes on my patio. And these are $29.98. That's the green giant. $29.98. It's a nice grouping. Oh, I didn't see these. Oh, how cute. These are $3.98. Hyacinth. I don't have any hyacinth. I think I may get a couple of these. Pretty. Hyacinth. Maybe I should get one that hasn't flowered yet, because this one is already showing off. So maybe I get one that's a little smaller as opposed to one that's already flowered, because I want to enjoy this a little longer. How pretty. Oh, these are tulips. It's a red tulip. Yeah, these are red tulips. Daffodils, $14.98. That's for this whole tray. Maybe I should have just gotten this for $14. Oh, look at that. That's gorgeous. As they say, pretty in pink. This is white hyacinth. I'm also growing a lot of flowers myself at home, so I gotta pace myself. I have to make sure I have room to plant out what I already have growing. This beautiful. It's mandeville's already trellised, and this I believe is a annual. I do believe it's an annual. And these are pretty, already laid out for you. $12.98 for the hardy shrub. This is the lilac, show pot lilac. So they are leafing out here. Blueberry pink lemonade, $12.98. Blueberry North. Healthy fruit for eating fresh. Make those jams and those pies. Heritage raspberry. They've got the raspberry Latham. Red currant. Red lake. And the jostaberry. I don't know. I'm feeling this pink lemonade here. Gooseberry. All right. I don't know. I think I want this. High levels of antioxidants. Yeah, blueberries, we all know they're good for us. Full sun, 6+ hours. Peonies down here. It's a bright, vibrant red. Oh, they've got some roses here. Mr. Lincoln. Sun Sprite. Some other roses here. Come and check out your local Home Depot. Some more annuals, more pansies. All right, they've got strawberries. They're $5.98 per pot. These are the everbearing. So they will continue to grow throughout the season. Gourmet salad mix, $14.98. That is a bit pricey for lettuce. Lettuce is so easy to grow yourself. Just buy a seed packet and plant your own, is my suggestion. Mojito mint, $15.98. Ooh. Plant it once and you won't have to plant it again. Jumbo size, incredibly sweet. Oh, these are nice. Should I plant some more onions? Why not? Yeah, $5.98. I eat a lot of onion. Basil is a pretty tomato. Mr. Stripey. Okay, we got some eggplant here. Romaine lettuce, $5.98. Lettuce is so easy to grow yourself. That red is pretty. Got some collard greens, tinted broccoli, curly kale, Swiss chard. Growing a lot of this already. A lot of the shelves are still empty. They're filling up though, so we would definitely have to come back. Those are pretty. Got the mulch out, more soil. They got landscape lumber. Eloc Nation, I hope you enjoyed this week's dose of garden shopping inspiration. I had fun. Be kind to yourself as well as others. We are all going through something. See you next time. If you enjoy the content, please subscribe to the channel. Find something you love and have fun doing it. Thanks for watching.